Welcome everyone, my name is Munir. Today we are diving into a journey that has transformed the way organizations deliver projects and achieve results, Agile and Scrum. Let's pause for a moment and think, why do so many projects fail? Studies from Standish Group and PMI show that more than half of projects either overshoot their budgets, miss deadlines, or deliver less value than expected. Why? Because the old, traditional methods of managing projects simply don't work well in our modern, fast-changing world. This is where Agile and Scrum come in. They're not just buzzwords, they are proven approaches that can revolutionize the way you work, the way your team collaborates, and the way your organization delivers results. The title of today's session says it all: Unlock Your Potential. This is not just about learning techniques or memorizing frameworks. It's about transforming how you think, how you lead, and how you deliver. Now imagine yourself leading a team. You've been asked to deliver a new product or service in just 3 months. The requirements are unclear, the market is shifting, and the customer isn't even sure what they want yet. Traditional project management would tell you to lock everything into a rigid plan up front. But by the time you finish, the customer's needs have already changed. Sound familiar? This is the exact pain Agile solves. With Agile, you don't wait until the end. You deliver in small steps, you gather feedback, and you adapt. You don't fight change, you embrace it. Scrum in particular gives us a practical way to put Agile into action. It breaks work into short, focused cycles called sprints with constant feedback loops. Instead of guessing what customers need, we show them progress every 2 weeks and adjust. That's the secret to unrivaled project success. And here's the personal impact. Mastering Agile and Scrum makes you a valuable leader. It positions you as someone who doesn't just follow rigid rules, but someone who can guide teams through uncertainty, deliver results faster, and keep customers happy. These are exactly the skills employers are looking for today. So in this session, I invite you to not just learn the theory, but to imagine how these principles will fit into your own career. Whether you're a project manager, a Scrum Master, a developer, or even a business leader, Agile and Scrum can help you unlock new opportunities.